Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Como Audio, a company built by Consumer Electronics Association Hall of Famer Tom DeVesto, is looking to bring manufacturing back to the United States, more specifically, the Boston area, where DeVesto has helped to build some iconic brands in the audio and speaker business. About the effort, attracting investors on StartEngine.com, DeVesto says jobs are needed here more than ever. And
there's a lot of talk about the over-dependence on our supply chain from the Far East, in particular from China. We saw what happens to simple things, face masks and swabs and things. Well, we can make the stuff here.
Como Audio has already begun work on the location, and the results, he hopes, will be music to the ears of many. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.